Today's video is brought to you by Dollar Shave Club. We all have our everyday grooming routines, from brushing our teeth to showering and, yes, shaving. I like to shave just my neck. No matter what your routine is, Dollar Shave Club has everything you need to make you look, feel, and smell your best. A lot of you have probably heard of Dollar Shave Club and think they only stick to shaving products. Well, don't let the name deceive you. Dollar Shave Club can solve all your grooming needs in just one box. Shower products, oral care products, hair products, skin products, butt wipes, and obviously shaving products. If you have a body, they have you covered. Not only do they ship directly to your home, but the more you buy, the more you save. They call it their handsome discount. Now is the time to see how amazing and high quality their products really are. Right now they have this great offer where you can get their shave, shower, or oral care set, each for only $5. They sent me all three of their starter sets. The shave starter set comes with the executive razor and 3-ounce tube of their Dr. Carver shave butter. The oral care set comes with their weighty toothbrush and trial size version of their toothpaste. The shower starter set comes with 3 trial size versions of their amber lavender body cleanser, citrus and Hawaiian ginger face cleanser, and sage and black pepper shampoo. Sounds pretty good. It's my cat. Join the club with one of their starter sets for just $5. After that, the restock box ships regular size products at regular price. Get this exclusive deal at dollarshaveclub.com/JimmyJ. That is dollarshaveclub.com/JimmyJ. Now, please enjoy the rest of this build. Thank you, Dollar Shave Club.
Can you see him with the open eyes?